Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. John here, and you're on the Sky One Videos channel. Today I'm going to put on my advanced wheel locks. These are the conical shape ones. These are not cheap, but they're the ones that work. So, you know, I was thinking about when they had to replace my rims because they damaged them when they rotated them, how long it took for them to get new wheels. And could you imagine today, like if you came out, could you imagine if you came out of a restaurant or whatnot and your wheels were off your car? I mean, what are you going to do? So, yeah. So I bought these things. I got an extra key for it. One will stay in the car somewhere hidden. And it was a little bit of a delay because I wanted to get a torque wrench. She said to make sure that you don't over torque. You guys have a wide body Challenger. It's 111 foot-pounds, so I had to buy a torque wrench. And look at this. This is nice. This is a... it's hard to do this one-handed. These have the little shrink tubing or whatever, nylon over them, keep them from scratching your wheels. So anyway, I'm going to use this, the torque wrench. It's supposed to have come with an extension. Yeah, it came with an extension there. And yeah, take the wheel lug nut off, and I'm gonna put this on and I'll show you guys how it looks. All right, just so you can take a look here, I've got one of them on here in the front. You can see how it looks. I mean, you can definitely tell there's something on there, but I don't see how you're gonna get any kind of wrench on that little. Alright, so I got them all done. I know, I guess I could have showed you me putting them on, but I don't think you want to see my big ass as I'm reaching down here. But that's what they look like. Pretty good. Pretty happy with it. Yeah, the dealer did not overcrank my wheels. They knew how to set them. If I had to guess, they were probably set about 115. I set them for 111. So yeah, got it all done. Wheels ain't going anywhere now. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm going to put some more content, some security stuff that you might want to see here on your to help protect your car. Just things are getting crazy, and it's not just the cost of getting something stolen, but the inconvenience is just going to be crazy. I'm thinking about when they had to get me new rims, new wheels. It took them forever, and I don't know how long it's gonna take now. So yeah, you don't want your wheels ripped off. All right, later, bye.